this video today, I'm going to be creating a beautiful DIY with items that I purchased mostly from the Dollar Tree. Come on with me, guys. Alright, so these pieces can definitely be used as a wall decor piece by the time I get done. This is going to be gorgeous, guys. Or you can go ahead and use this as a centerpiece. This was also a budget-friendly DIY. I don't think that I spent more than $7 on this craft, and it looks amazing. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called Anything Fall, Craft Your Stash collaboration. The host of this collaboration is Tasha, and we also have Joanna. So the guest host is Tawanda. So I started out using the faux guard, I think it's called Nutmeg, and I am going to start out painting all of the pieces that need to be painted, guys, and then we'll come back. Now I have a leaf all the way on the back that was already stained, and now these little pumpkins, which are really the ornaments from the Dollar Tree. These pumpkins, I think I'm painting them with the faux art in a moss color or something like that. This is an absolutely beautiful green color. I am loving it. Now, I went ahead and decided to pull out one of the leaves from Hobby Lobby. I am absolutely loving the leaf pack at Hobby Lobby because you get more than one shape in the pack. So I pulled out one of the shapes, and I'm going to go ahead and paint that in one of the, in a beige color, and I believe that was Apple Barrel. So now we have the leaf back there that I'm going to use. So I'm repurposing that leaf in the back. Then the wood round that I'm using has a raised pumpkin, which was perfect because I'm using that green color to go ahead and highlight that pumpkin. I'm not going to paint the inside of the pumpkin. I'm just highlighting the raised piece around it. And I'm also going to trim out that leaf from Hobby Lobby. I'm going to go ahead and trim that out in that green as well. All right, so once all of the pieces are dry, okay, then we're gonna go ahead and start piecing this together. This is gonna come out amazing, guys. You can even use this as a wreath hanger. You can go ahead and, like I said, use this as a centerpiece, or you can go ahead and just use it as a wall decor piece. Either way, this is gonna come out beautiful. I am in love with this piece. And I have to say that these colors are really calling my attention. The browns and especially that green color is just a very, very beautiful color. So let's see what we can do as we're putting this together to make this look gorgeous. So I glued the pumpkins down on the top, and then I decided to go ahead and add these leaves, which did come from the Dollar Tree. Then I wanted to put some greenery along each side of the pumpkin. So we also have a bless sign, which is those faux leather words from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to be using once again the bless sign. And once we get done gluing that last leaf and then adding the bow, I am excited to head on over to the reveal. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video, and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I just want to say thank you for supporting my channels. Now that beautiful velvety ribbon that I used did come from Hobby Lobby, and of course we just embellished with more of the same greenery that I put on either side of the pumpkin. Isn't this looking absolutely gorgeous? Now we do have to glue that bless sign and that leaf, and that's what I'm doing right now. This is definitely perfect, and I did wing it, guys. I just kind of viewed where I wanted to put stuff, and I think the word bless is just a perfect touch. Let's head on over to the reveal. Isn't that amazing, guys? I am loving it. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.